This is Canadex.
If you are a financial manager, you are eligible to apply for Canada permanent residency under the Express Entry pathway. If your experience is in Canada, you can apply under the Canadian Experience class. If your experience as a financial manager was obtained outside Canada, then you can apply for Canada PR under the Federal Skilled Worker Program. In order to have a high CRS score, you need at least 3 years of work experience or more, attain high band scores in the language proficiency test in either English or French or both. In terms of education, you would attain higher points for education if you have a master's or PhD. Other factors crucial to your success is being admissible to Canada. That is, you have to pass a medical exam, not have a conviction record, and have sufficient settlement funds. To apply for Canada PR under the Express Entry system, you need to first create a profile and join the pool of candidates. Once you have been accepted into the pool of candidates, the system will calculate your CRS score. If you have a brother or sister in Canada, this could boost your CRS. If your score is equal to or higher than the Express Entry draw score, then you will receive an invitation to apply for permanent residency. Once you have been asked to apply for PR, you will proceed to submit your application and include all the relevant supporting documents. Applying for Express Entry requires a lot of planning, preparation, and strategy. Start the process now to find out if you are eligible. For a free Canada immigration assessment and free webinar on Research Masters and PhD scholarship in Canada, see links in description. Click link in bio for Instagram. Also email info@canadeximmigration.com.
This is Canadex.